Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel if you guys are new. So I'm going outside to have lunch, also going to the beach. So I wanted to film when I was getting ready, but I thought the same thing again and again, getting ready, showing to you guys, telling you guys, okay guys, I'm getting ready. So I thought let's do something different today. So I am talking to you guys when everything is ready. I just need to go to the beach, go inside the cab. It's getting hotter and hotter every day. The weather is like this. Guys, oh my god, look at my hair. Because the windows are open. Because of this, look at my hair. I'm not traveling, you know. I can travel by road for like 10 hours maybe in a stretch. But the seat should be comfortable. I'm enjoying my hair. Look at me, the wind, me. It should be like this. Hi guys, just had the food out here in Kipling Cafe and the food was yum. After so long out here in Chennai, had such a nice food. So if you guys are out here in Chennai, you should definitely come here, have the food in here because the food is yum. And now we are walking all the way because we need to go to the beach. I think it's just 500 meters away from the Kipling Cafe. So we are going to go there for some time, relax in the beach, and we are going to eat something after that. See you guys. What am I doing? See you guys. Good day. Just the weather is a little hot. Well, oh my god, so peaceful. No one in here. I wish to stay somewhere like here. In here, can you see the beach out there? Oh my god. It's so lovely. The wind is also so chill. It's a little sunny, but then never mind. Next to the beach, relaxing. Talking to you guys. So peaceful. So now we are returning home, waiting for the cab. Guys, I'm feeling so sleepy. I'll see you guys when I reach home. I'm going to sleep now. The security system in here is so nice. They are assembled out there. And I think they are having a meeting, and they have the meeting every evening around 7 to 8 o'clock. And they have changed the uniform. It was, I think, white in color. Now it's blue in color. I've come in here to eat dosa and I also bought biscuits. This biscuits, I love it, so nice. 40 rupees per packet. It's expensive, but it's worth. It's nice. I'm going to have them tomorrow morning with my tea.